In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset deadlines for an overdue Coursera course, Chapter 220. If you've fallen behind in a Coursera course, don't worry, there's a built-in way to get back on track as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. Here's how to reset your deadlines using the tools available on your course page and what to do if the option isn't showing up. Start by opening the course homepage for the class year you're taking. From there, look for the course timeline. This is usually where you'll see your upcoming lessons, quizzes, and assignments organized by week. If you're overdue, you should notice a clear Assessment Overdue message on that page. Under that header, look for a reset link. That's the control you'll use to refresh your schedule. Now, the reset option only appears if you meet Coursera's criteria. You're eligible if you've missed 2 consecutive deadlines or if you're at least 2 weeks late on a single assessment. If you meet one of those conditions, click Reset. Coursera will update your schedule and generate new target dates so you can continue at a manageable pace. This doesn't change what you've already completed. It simply moves your remaining work onto a fresh timeline so you can progress without feeling stuck behind. If you don't see the reset link, there are a few common reasons. You might not meet the eligibility criteria yet, the course could be running on a fixed or instructor-paced schedule, or you may already be current with the timeline. In those cases, you still have an option. Contact Coursera support and explain that your course is overdue and the reset option isn't available. Include the course title and a brief summary of how many deadlines you've missed or how late you are. Support can review your account and let you know whether a manual reset or another accommodation is possible for your situation. A few tips to make the most of your reset. After you update the schedule, review the new dates and decide how many hours you can realistically commit each week. Turn on email or mobile reminders so you don't miss upcoming checkpoints. Double-check your time zone in your account settings so deadlines display correctly. And remember, the reset is there to help you regain momentum. Use it as a fresh start to build a consistent routine rather than waiting until the next crunch. That's it. Use the course timeline to reset when eligible and reach out to Coursera support if the option doesn't appear. With a clear plan and the updated schedule, you'll be back on track in no time.